First, let's work on the pronunciation. The letters OA simply have the sound of O, like in the words know, so, boat, and coat. The CH at the end sounds like in the words chair, which, and match. Say the word after me. Coach. A coach is a person who trains athletes or teams. A coach can be a man or a woman. The word is the same. We can also describe someone with the specific sport that they help to teach or train. For example, a soccer coach, a baseball coach, etc. The word coach can also be used outside of sports as a general word for someone who helps train or teach you. A vocal coach teaches you how to sing better. A business coach helps a company improve. And a career coach helps you find the right job or career. Now, in the past, the word coach also referred to a carriage pulled by horses. In the picture, you can see a horse-drawn coach. But we don't really have many of this vehicle anymore. Nowadays, the word coach can be used for a bus designed for long-distance passenger transportation. A coach bus usually runs in between cities, different from the local buses that stay inside the city. Finally, the word coach also refers to the regular part of an airplane, which is not first class and not business class. Flying coach is usually the cheapest option. For example, we always fly coach to save money. This means we buy a ticket for a seat in the regular part of the